Hi, welcome back. Today we're talking about child support cheats, the moral risk and the morale risk in child support payments, which exist as they exist in all other types of insurable perils. They loom large for child support. We're going to start with life insurance. Instead of putting your money in a bank, not you being you being the obligated parent who needs to pay you for the children, instead of them putting money in a bank where it could be determined and found and garnished, they can buy a life insurance policy with it, name someone else as the beneficiary. They can start an annuity or pay an annuity up in full. And it's very hard to trace those when they seem to omit and don't quite remember and don't disclose it, particularly if they buy it from insurance companies outside of the United States. So that's a very easy way for them to hide money that should be due your children. Additionally, they can have offshore bank accounts. They can have trusts, sometimes called a rabbi trust, which are untraceable. They can use bank accounts of family members, whether it's a subsequent spouse or whether they're serving as a trustee over an elderly parent's account. And assets can all be hidden. To hide assets and not pay child support and to make someone complicit knowingly or unknowingly, of course, is wrong, but it is done. There are tools such as judgments and liens which go against assets. So quite often a deadbeat puts the assets in the name of a subsequent spouse or another family member they trust wholly, and then it would be transitioned back to them when and if they're cleared of child support owed, or they beat a judgment. In my opinion, in every state, judgments for child support should be evergreen and they should carry interest, statutory interest or a premium on statutory interest, because the children are doing without, or the taxpayers are supporting the children of those parents not responsible enough to provide for their own children. Finally, they can use due process. The due process system is long, the courts are overburdened, it's expensive, and they wage economic warfare on you not to collect what's due your children. We get down to a very interesting question in principle. Does a custodial parent have the right not to collect monies that are truly due their children by law because it's too difficult, because it's too complicated, because it's too expensive, because they don't know how to? Can you simply waive those monies that technically are due your children? And I'll leave you with that. I believe in principle, every custodial parent needs to collect every penny due their children. It is their obligation, and I encourage you to involve the Office of Child Support Enforcement to help you do so. Thank you.